the Psyonix Aurora Pro Explorer Edition. Camera setup. This is what we have. That is awesome. Awesome case. That's the camera that comes with it. Look at how beautiful that is. Cool. SD card. Attachments. Attach it to any kind of setup on a firearm. Pickaninny setup. There's your charger. There's your infrared light, ambient light. Batteries that come with it. There's two of those rechargeables. Power cord, USB cord, charging cords. Comes with an Allen. Great little setup this is. Cool. Can't wait to do a full run of it. See how that goes. There's another mount. Awesome. See how that thing looks when I run it tomorrow. That's what comes in the Psyonix Aurora Pro Explorer Edition. Aurora Pro camera, infrared illuminator, Aurora Pickaninny rail mount. It also comes with Aurora Pickaninny, Aurora Picatinny rail mount, illuminator, Picatinny rail mount, recharger, a rechargeable 18650 battery 2, battery charger, changing cable, rechargeable battery 2, 32 gigabyte micro SD card, hard case, neck lanyard, quick start guide. You can download your app from Google Play Store or App Store. 720p wireless streaming, 256 gigabyte micro SD capacity, full color, low light camera, accelerometer, trigger, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS enabled, IP67, water resistant. That's the Psyonix Aurora Pro Explorer Edition.